and then later you eat ice cream. Oh, the dog is so cute.
That's some pretty good
Oh,
yogurt.
It's a bulldog, right?
I think so.
Is that
Yeah.
bulldog? No, it's not bulldog.
Yes.
Right here. What's that?
I don't-
It's so ugly.
Yeah, it's a pit. It's a
Pit
bull
bull?
dog.
That's a killer dog.
Yeah. They say that it'll turn over. Mine will turn over.
Because so ugly.
Big mouth and big head, big jaws.
Hello.
Hello.
Naka-live ko, oy! Yes. Naka-live ko. Di ako sa park. 3 million in the house. Good morning, Philippines. Sige, pamunit niya kung bana. Uy, bisag unsa lay pamuniton ba? Murag basuriro. Bisag unsa mga coins, pamuniton. Nagani makitaan coins puniton. Ingko nga dili man na maayo mamunit kag mga naa sa kalsada nga mga kuan. Ako di ko mamunit-punit. Patid-patiran na ako basta kakita ko coins sa kuan siya iyang puniton. Namunit na pud oh. What you got? Sig pananaw kwarta. I said you're looking for money.
Hello.
One time we walk in here a few years ago. I found $50. I found $50. You remember?
And I lost $50 4 or 5 years ago
Oh.
from the bank to the post office, which is only about 20, 30 yards.
You lost?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Maybe you found it.
Oh, you're kidding. I found it here.
I claim to it.
I found it here, honey. Come on.
Anything silver looking? I'll check it out.
You need to focus what you're doing. You need to walk. Later on, it will be dark. You need to be fast. Huh? Yeah, look at that. Baha, oh, baha. Nagbaha sila dito. Uy, katugnaw. It's cold. Lucky I got my cup too. It's good. But I have 2 clothes. Look, I have 2. I have 2 because that line that I work today is cold.
I wore my lucky green.
I feel itchy all the time today. Yeah, in the back. Can you look at it? Why is so itchy in this part?
Maybe you scratched your
No, right here. Look at that. What is that in
Oh,
there?
there's some there. A bite.
It's bite?
A bite there.
Really?
You need to put
It's,
I put some
it's
band-
itchy.
Band-aids with Neosporin on them.
Who bite me there? Who bite me there?
Huh?
Who bite me?
Something looks
Mosquito?
like- It could be a flea, it could be a-
Really? Maybe.
It
The gown is not feel like they wash it. And you know those gown, many people using it. There is no certain person to use that gown.
You
It's
talking about at the dentist? What are you talking about?
at work.
Oh, at work. The gowns, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Yep, could be.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I keep scratching. I keep scratching every minute at work.
Hmm.
Hi Niga, good morning. Thank you. Hindi ako naka-live kaninang umaga kasi sa trabaho dahil sa ibang linya kasi kami nag-work. Pag sa ibang linya kami nag-work, ayoko mag-live kasi marami kaming kasabay na nagbi-break. Alam mo na, pag maraming kasabay na magbi-break, maraming maritis. Yung iba ayaw na makita sa live. Mga sa Bisaya pa, mga irihis ang ubang tao. Yeah. Di pagod na sila makontento, isumbong pagyud ka. So, mo nag-live ra ko og sa area ra namo nga line mo akong kauban kay way problema pero lain gani nga mga tao, lain nga linya. Daghang maritis. So di ko ganahan mag-live. So karon kay di ami sa park, galakaw-lakaw, nagbawas ni og timbang og mabawasan. Og mabawasan, yes han.
The bowl that I put the stuff in.
Oh,
The stew-like stuff, what you call it?
the what?
The stuff you made.
Oh.
The beef.
Mm.
It leaked.
Oh. You change it?
Yeah. When I put it in the
You
Samsung,
better throw that container.
well, might just need to be
No, you throw it.
glued or
No, there's no way to glue plastic. Throw it.
solid.
I don't know why my leg is hurt today. Maybe because we stopped for how many? We stopped 1 week.
1 week.
Yeah, we didn't walk for 1 week. You remember? Because of the
You're
rain.
about five times.
No, it's rain.
Oh, yeah, rained all week.
Rain all week.
It's gonna be tough to make another round.
This is second round? First round.
First,
First round.
Start up here.
Yeah, this is second round already. Coming. Walking around Pangbanat sa Buto. Oo. Kasi sa work minsan nakaupo lang maghapon. Pero tumatayo naman ako. Kasi yung area ko pwedeng tumayo. Pero pag nasa area ka na hindi ka pwedeng tumayo kasi may hawak ka na machine, hindi ka pwedeng tumayo maghapon. Which is ayaw ko yung ganun kasi talagang ang katawan ko na use na ano ba, yung nagmo-move. Yung lakad-lakad, yung ayaw ng katawan ko nag-i-stay kasi pag nag-i-stay ako na inaantok ako. Nakakatulog ako. Kaya mas gusto ko yung trabaho na nakatayo o naglalakad kasi nakakapag-unat pa ako kaysa yung naka-stay nakaupo. Ang bilis ni maglakad ng kano. Ang bilis niya maglakad, oh. Tignan mo. Pero asahan mo yan mamaya, sabihin niya. Ayaw na niya. Sakit ng paa ko. Maybe I used this leg too much today.
Oh, you did?
I stand for how many hours? It's pain.
You were stuck.
We cannot slow down because it's dark later on. We need to be fast.
This looks cleaned up. I know the ring.
The rain did.
Oh, the
4 million. Hi, Lorena. Good morning. Kumusta na po?
place to look for stuff during the sunlight anyway.
Hmm?
You think so?
I like your t-shirt. This is new.
No.
I never seen you wear that t-shirt.
Well, some because it's my favorite, one of my favorites.
I know, the green. I know I bought that blue and like that color and the green.
Yeah, I like it.
I got it from, I think I got that from Gap.
You know, probably
Let me
so.
see. Let me see. I think let me see.
It is.
Oh yeah, Gap. I got this from Gap.
Smell it down here. Smell it down here, Dobie. Smell it.
Wah, wag tayo eh. Hey, it's poop down here.
That's what it's
It's a cat. Wag tayo eh.
Takes about 5 minutes for us to walk around.
Yeah, this is my second round, right?
24 minutes. We'll go through.
Kabahong tayo eh. Daghan man kong iring din eh. Madaming pusa dito ba? Nag-alaga sila ng pusa. Tapos yung pusa, pag alagala dito na rin tumatai. Alam mo yung pusa namin, pag tumatai, nagtatago. Tumatai lang yung pusa namin sa loob. Mayroon siyang taihan sa loob pagka winter. Pagka ganito na, maaraw na, sa labas na siya tumatai. Pero hindi namin nakitaan yun na may tai doon sa yard namin. Tinatago niya yung tai niya. Tinatago ng pusa namin yung tai. Nagtaka ako sa pusa namin ba ngayong week na to. Napakalambing niya sa akin. Nakatabi sa akin sa higaan. Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko baka may sakit. Yung inaano niya yung ulo niya sa ano ko, sa katawan ko, yung iba ipunas-punas ba niya yung head niya sa akin. Ayun, may train. Haba ng train, oh. Daming talaga. Yung asawa ko talaga pag dumadaan yung train, lagi kinukunan ng video. Wala, ang haba, oh. Ano kaya mga laman nito? Ang haba. Sobrang haba niya. Wala na. End na siya. Ayan. Wala na. Come on. I'm gonna take this tomorrow with me. So itchy, you know that? Sleepy
Sleepy.
after walking. I don't drink in there. I wanna drink some in the house.
Yeah, I don't like the bottled water few sips.
Taco Man. They're closed?
Yep, it's closed. It's 8 o'clock.
Oh, they close early?
Probably. Nobody will stop in the dark. That Mexican guy really looked at me. He looked at me every time.
He look at you?
Yeah.
Why did he look?
Didn't smile. He didn't give any kind of body language. Just looked at me.
Maybe he said, oh, this American guy, he has a lot of money.
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, they changed the name.
Yeah, it's a new guy. The guy
Oh, Ross.
retired because of his stroke. He had a stroke.
Your friend?
Charles, yeah.
Oh, really?
I didn't even know about it. I was going there I went by there while he was cleaning out. And that's
And
when I
he was
found
there?
out. Yeah, they were him and his son. You know, he has a son like Jeff. I've got to talk to
He lives in Edgewood, right?
Jeff is not looking good. Besides his weight, he's not looking good in the face. I told him to start washing his face.
He's eating healthy.
When I
He's
try to-
eating unhealthy.
When I try to shave him, he's not washing his face.
What's wrong with his face? He has rashes.
Pimples and everything else, yeah. Too much sugar. I think sugar causes pimples is really what it is.
Well, because you're letting him eat. I told you, you teach him how to eat healthy.
Put the lights on. You can't hear either.
Bulan Hagi, Jonaline, hello.
You can't hear.
Good morning. Dito na kami sa bahay.
And now I got my deal. I can pour my paint and get busy. I want to paint the 2 posts on the end on both sides. That's what my next project is.
What is just in the end?
Yeah, I want to do the 2 end ones.
Why you just do end?
Because I can't finish it all in one day and I want it to look right.
Why only end?
If I decided to take a week off for rain or whatever.
Lucky, I went to the bathroom, but it's not enough. I need to do more.
You need somebody to knock it out of you.
I need poo poo. I need to poo more.
Drink